Hey Rachel, my name is Beatrice. I am 44 years old and I'm from Spain. And I want to share with you some tips and tricks on how to stay healthy and young the way we do it here. In Spain, we're always looking for natural ways to keep our skin looking bright. What I like to do is I like to massage my face to give it a healthy glow. To do that, I like to use my jade roller. Jade rollers are a really cheap and natural way to help your face muscles stay toned. You can also use them to apply your serums or oils. And I do this for maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day, every day. And I really feel it helps remove toxins and rejuvenate skin cells. Olive oil is a staple in Spanish cuisine, but I like to put it in more than just my food. I like to put olive oil in my cuticles in order to keep them strong and soft, and also on the ends of my hair. This works magic on damaged hair, but if your hair is healthy, this will make it look so much shinier. Here in Spain, we like to stay outdoors as much as we can. We like to enjoy the sunshine, we take in our vitamin D, but it's also very important to protect your skin. That's why I use 50 SPF sunscreen every day. We hope you like our tips and tricks all the way from Spain, and thank you so much. Bye!
Bye! The great thing about Spain, of course, is just got voted as the healthiest country in the world.
Well, you can tell why. Look at her.
She looks great, right?
She's in her 40s. She looks
like she's
12.
20, yeah,
I
exactly.
know. Like, I would card her for liquor.
That's right. But the other thing about the Spaniards is that the good thing is that not only are they the healthiest, but the Mediterranean diet is so important, right? Yep. They eat that Mediterranean diet. We say this all the time. You've heard it, but there's something true to it. They use a lot of saffron in their foods. And saffron is great. It's full of antioxidants. It's easy to add to your food. You can add it to your soups, to your salads, to your stews, whatever. It's anti-inflammatory, and it could also lower your risk for heart disease. So it's very easy to add saffron.
And vinegar, we've discussed a million times, very good for you. This is sherry vinegar.
Vinegar is great. The sherry vinegar is great because, first of all, you can add flavor without adding sodium, so that's very helpful. You can put it in a vinaigrette with other types of vinegars, and also it helps potentially to deal with some of the antioxidants properties we talked about before.
Hi Rachel, my name is Coco and this is my mother Veronique.
Hi Rachel.
And we're from Switzerland. So Mom, can you tell us a little bit about those ingredients and where they come from?
Absolutely Coco, we always know where our products come from. The trend now is to eat local and seasonal.
And it's amazing because even in our supermarkets they try to promote the local farmers as much as possible. If there's one thing that we know how to make in Switzerland, it's definitely cheese. And my favorite one is Gruyere. It's so good! To make cheese fondue, first start by putting garlic and add some white wine. And then you stir it until the cheese is completely melted. And now, enjoy! If we indulge in something heavy like fondue one day, we try to eat fresh and lighter the next day. It's all about balance. We love to have big meals, but we also really enjoy eating apples, salad, veggies.
It's good to eat what makes you happy. In my case, I treat myself with chocolate. Milk is a very important ingredient in Switzerland. It's fresh and tasty. And if you're lucky, you can get it directly from the cow in the countryside.
Cheers, Coco!